Welcome to the New Worlds Reading Initiative. In this video, we will highlight how to make read-alouds fun. One way to make reading time really fun for your child is to capture their attention by reading with expression. Reading with expression means that you are changing your voice for different characters, being silly, and matching your tone of voice to what is happening in the book. When you laugh together with books, you and your child will look forward to read-alouds, fostering a love of reading. Watch the following video of a caregiver making a read-aloud more engaging for their child.
Let's climb more, says treetop 80. Higher and higher, up to 90. Until at last there's 99. All the numbers are feeling fine, except for 0, who begins to cry. Like, how do you sing 0 feels? I am all by myself, and I am so sad. Can you make a sad face? Okay, can you say get out of the tree? Get out of the tree! And all the numbers tumble out. Do you know what tumble means? Chicka, 1, 2, 3. Here's the place that's just for me. All the numbers come back out, higher and higher as they shout. Can you shout it with me? Ready? Chicka, chicka, 1, 2, 3. 0 is the hero of our number tree.
This parent was able to make book time fun by reading with expression. These engaging interactions will help create better readers. When you make reading fun, everyone wins.